Today I am cooking chicken breast. I am going to show you guys how easy it is to make. Check it out. Now I'm going to slice the chicken breast into thinner slices because it's very thick. This is what I'm doing now, and I will do it with all of them just to make it a lot thinner. Now I'm adding vinegar to clean my chicken. I like to use lemon or lime as well. I have no lemon and lime left, so I'm going to use vinegar. It really doesn't matter as long as you clean it. In a separate bowl, crack 2 eggs, as you can see that I'm doing right now. Now I'm grinding the cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese that you really want, Parmesan, mozzarella, cheddar, whatever you want. But I prefer to use the mozzarella, so I'm making sure I grind it well. Okay, in a separate bowl, add some flour. Now, I don't do measurements because if I do, sometimes I end up having to add more or add less. So I just go with it. And, and somebody asked me recently to be more specific with the measurements. But like I said, I just cook and I just do what I feel, how much I need to use. That's the reason I never really give a accurate measurement, because I'm not sure. Okay, now add some cheese, the mozzarella cheese in there. And I also ended up adding more flour. See what I mean? Why I do not give no measurements? Because I may need more. Now you're also going to need black pepper and salt only that you will add to the mix. And you will mix that all together. Okay, I'm adding salt right now. Okay. I am also spraying some Pam. This is really good to use to avoid your food from sticking to the pan. Now I'm about to dip the chicken breast in the egg mix. And from there, I will dip it in the flour mix. And once I'm done with that, I will place it in the pan. So I'm taking the last of it and placing that in the pan as well. So now I'm going to prepare to add it in the oven. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It's ready to be cooked. Yippee! So now I will set my oven for 400. And I will place it in the oven, as you can see. Yay! All right. Okay, so now it's ready to cook. Now I will cook this until 40 to 45 minutes. I am also cooking some plantains as well, as you can see, some plantanos. And this is what it's looking like. I have 2 trays of the breast meat, baking, smelling good. And ta-da! It is done, crispy, delicious, so good. This is definitely a great appetizer. It goes with mashed potatoes, rice, French fries, whatever you want, you can eat this with. This is an awesome, delicious dish. Love, love, love it. Please do try it. Look at that. also made the plantanos. They are ready as well. The only problem was it's not as ripe. I like it a little bit sweeter, but it's fine. But thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.